So guys, we'll be taking a look at our GBPJPY, EURJPY and AUDJPY. So to be quick, start with our daily time frame by the way. So I did analysis on the 7th on our GBPJPY on this 3 PS. You can go back to watch it. How you say that this will have this rally movement till it take out this ice, then we might get a drop. And guess what is exactly what we had that day. So we had this bullish move. I think this was on the 7th, so we had this bullish move upward on the 7th. The next day we also had a little bit of a bullish move, then it actually got to this ice and we started having this drop again. So this GBPJPY, so to actually predict where our price will be moving the next day, which is on the 9th of September, we would want to go straight to our JPY index by the way. So I wanted to get it fully. JPY index full trend in the daily time frame, we are actually bearish. I zoom it out, see the bearish good amount of drop. Now of recent, this our JPY index was actually range. If we are actually following this, you will actually know how we range this channel. So this was actually a bearish move. So the price actually came to this level. We saw a pull up. We saw a bearish move again. We also saw this move up again. So this is exactly why we took this down as our support level and resistance level. So at that time when this price was moving like this, we were actually ranging with it. We were actually following it as a support and resistance level. So it came to our support again. We actually took the trade. Came to our resistance level, we took the trade. Came to this our support level again, we took the trade. And guess what? It broke below our support level. And we had, those of us who actually, got this, actually got it, I think, in a surprise way or however. So basically, this price actually broke below our support level, right? So we are now on a bearish move on our JPY index. I want you to note that any PS relating to our JPY actually went bullish. So basically, as the JPY was dropping, PS like the GBP actually pushes up. Now our price has broken up below our support level, right? What are we expecting it again? We are expecting a pullback on our JPY index. Now today, which is on the 8th, we actually kind of open and close, bullish by the way. So this is our movement by the way. This good amount of wick, that is an indication that this huge candlestick is about to be over for the bearish move. We saw this good amount of candlestick. We saw the yesterday good amount of candlestick. Now see this one today. The amount is very little bullish move. So this is an indication that our candlestick bearish is actually over. We are now expecting a bull to enter to take this trade to test our support level price has broke out from. So basically, once we start having that bullish move on our JPY index, I can assure you very much that our JPY GBP to our JPY will actually also drop. Let's see it if it will actually drop to this level also. So basically, on this daily time frame, today our GBP JPY open and closed bearish. The next day, which is on the night we are trying to look out for, we are expecting it to actually open and close bearish on our GBPJPY. So basically GBPJPY, we are expecting a drop. And also notice that this is also a key level. Don't forget, our price came to this level. We saw a drop, right? Price actually came to this level as a pullback, and we saw another drop on our GBPJPY. That is one. See it this way. Price actually rally up to this level, yeah. Rally up to this level and it's dropped, right? Price also rally up again to this level and it's dropped. So that is why we highlighted it as a key level. If you were following this, you would have noticed that this was actually a key level. We actually highlighted since. So basically now this price is now at this level again. We are expecting a drop on our GBPJPY. So basically, once our JPY is giving us that pullback, which will be a bullish move, then we are expecting a bearish move on GBP against our JPY. So GBPJPY, watch out for it. We are expecting bearish. Let's see what our index says. Wow, so our index is a confirmation that our GBP will go bearish. Now see it this way. There was a good amount of impulse move, huge one, right? We had a correction in GBP index. See our huge amount of GBP index here drop. Now this is a correction. and guess what, we are having a drop again on our GBP index. So basically our GBP index is giving us a bearish move, which means we would want to be going bearish now. It is time to start dropping, and our JPY index wants to start giving us a pullback, which will be bullish. So it is a confirmation that our GBP to our JPY will start dropping, coupled with the fact that this GBP JPY is not at a crucial level area, which means we are expecting a drop on GBP JPY. So expect it. To enter this trade, I think we'll go on our 4-hour time frame or 1 hour time frame, and let's see, this is a break of structure downward. A pullback was made, so we add another drop. So basically, except this drop on our 1 hour time frame, we break this low, which is about 164.885. If the price can actually break it below 164.885, then I can tell you very much short this JPY index. So we are expecting to actually go short on this JPY and GBP JPY. Sorry, we are expecting to short GBP JPY. So if the price can break below it, we can actually go bearish. Now our EURJPY, same thing with what we just analyzed on our GBPJPY. Price came to this level, it dropped. It came to this level, it dropped. So we highlighted here as a crucial level. Now, once we're having our drop on our JPY index, our euro was actually pushing up, and now it is at this crucial key level. What we are expecting next is a drop again on our EURJPY. So basically, this price is not at a key level here. We are expecting a drop. That is one. If you have to see it again, why we are expecting a drop, if this is possibly to be a bullish move, an uptrend move, you will notice that let's start from here. There was an impulse movement upward. A correction was made. Another impulse movement was made here, right? A correction sits, and now another impulse movement. If this will continue to range up, then you should be expecting a correction. So on this our daily time frame, we are expecting a correction. So basically the next day we should be expecting a drop again on our EURJPY. So EURJPY again will be a drop. So expect a drop on our EURJPY, and you all can see our JPY index wants to start giving us a bullish move as a correction level. See JPY index, we saw this impulse move that broke below this our previous support. Price was ranging within this area, so price break below our support level and it has gone down. We are now expecting a pullback to actually test this level, which means JPY index will actually be pushing up. So once this JPY index pushes up, any pairs relating to our JPY will drop. So we are expecting a drop also on our EURJPY. Now on our AUDJPY, I'll start with daily time frame, by the way. So I will take it as a key level here. So price actually came to this level. We saw a drop on our AUDJPY. Now price is at this level again. What we are expecting again is actually a drop. One, we are expecting a drop. That is reason number one. Another, if this should be an impulse move upward, let's see, there was an impulse move here. A correction was made. We add another impulse move. We got a correction here, and now another impulse move. We all can see this impulse move was breaking above the previous higher highs here. So once we have this impulse move, what are we expecting? A pullback again, and this pullback we are actually on a key level, which is an indication that we are expecting a pullback. So today, which is on the 8th, we closed bearish. So basically on the 9th, we will also open and close bearish on the AUDJPY. So basically AUDJPY 2, we are expecting a pullback, which means the next day would be opening and closing bearish on AUDJPY. Now see it on our 4-hour time frame. Basically, this is an impulse movement upward. So a correction was made here. An impulse movement was made here. So this 4-hour time frame kind of have this pullback area. Have you gotten the pullback area? Well, it's up to you to decide, but I see this movement upward. I don't believe it is over yet, except this price actually breaks above this higher highs. Except AUDJPY breaks above this our previous higher highs, then you can jump into go long with it. If not, we're very much likely to see a drop again on our AUDJPY. So watch out for it. If you want to short, there's every likelihood it is time to short. But once the price break above this previous highs that I just highlighted, then don't short again. Look for a way to long with our AUDJPY. So basically, that is the analysis for the day.